In this video, I am going to teach you how to change your residential address on Binance the right way. Whether you've moved to a new place or need to update your KYC info, this guide will walk you through it. Let's get started. First, go to Binance.com and sign in using your registered email and password. Make sure your two-factor authentication is enabled to access your dashboard. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and under the Support section, click Support Center. This will take you to Binance's Help and Support page. Then in the Search or Available Topics, find Change Residential Address and click on it. This article will explain the process and give you a link to start the request. After that, just follow the prompts carefully. Make sure your identity verification is fully completed to avoid delays. You'll likely need to upload a proof of address document. And that's how to change your residential address on Binance. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy crypto walkthroughs. See you next time!